In this lesson, lesson 8.1, our essential question is, repeat after me, how can you use inch models to measure length? All right, go ahead and get out your new Chapter 8 workbook and open up to page 541. Go ahead and pause the video to do that. All right, so today you're going to use your bag of color tiles, which also can be called inch tiles because they are about the same length as the unit inch. And we're going to use them to measure the length of each of these pipe cleaners. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure when you measure an object with the inch tiles is that you line them up. And you're going to want to make sure that you can see the object. So don't just put them over top, but put them either under or above so that you can see that it's lined up. You're going to take the edge of the first inch tile and you're going to line it up with the end of the object. As you can see, I have done that. Then you're going to want to take the next inch tile, make sure that you don't move the first one, and you're going to line it up not with a gap, but so that it is right up against the first one. And then it looks like I can put another one down. And there's a little tiny space left, but if I put another one down, it's only a tiny bit of it that gets on there. So we know that this is how many inch tiles long it is. So it is 1, 2, 3 color tiles long. So go ahead and line up your color tiles and write 3 color tiles. Pause the video and do that. All right, next, we are going to line up our tiles and measure the next pipe cleaner. Go ahead and pause the video and see if you can line yours up on your own. Pause the video. All right, so if you laid yours down, remember you want to line the edge up to the end of the object. You want to make sure that it doesn't move. And we're going to just keep laying these inch tiles down. Remember, look what happens if I let it move. Now it's not lined up to the edge, so you want to make sure that it doesn't move. And it looks like that's all I can put on. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 color tiles long. All right, make sure that that is the answer that you got. And the last one, go ahead and pause the video and see if you can measure that last pipe cleaner. All right, so if I lay my first one down, I line up the edge to the end of the pipe cleaner, and I lay another one down, and that is all I'm going to be able to lay down. So I have 1, 2 color tiles. Good. So now I want you to think about this math talk question. You don't need to talk to anyone about it, but think about how you would describe how to use color tiles to measure the length of an object. If I were to ask you, how would you describe how to use them? All right, go ahead and turn the page. So we're going to do exactly this same thing. Look at the top of this page. A color tile is about 1 inch long. About how many inches long is this string? So if you look at the string, they have laid color tiles under the string from end to end. And if you can see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 color tiles long. So the string is 4 color tiles long, which is about, the string is about 4 inches long because color tiles are about the same length as an inch. So we could call them that 4 inches, about 4 inches. But we know that it's not exactly 4 inches because color tiles aren't an exact measurement. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go down to number 1. Go ahead and lay your color tiles down and see how many tiles fit under there. Pause the video. All right, so if I lay my color tiles down, I know I put the edge, the end of the color tile up to the end of the ribbon. I'm going to lay my next one down right up against that. And my next one. All right, can I fit another one? Nope, I can't fit another one. So if I count, there's 1, 2, 3. 3 color tiles long, so that is about 3 inches. Is that what you got? If not, go ahead and lay them down again and see if you get 3. All right, we're gonna do one more together and then I'm going to leave you to do your own. So go ahead and try number 2 and pause the video, then return after you're done. All right, so if we lay the tiles down, I line up the edges, I make sure that I don't push it off the edge, keep laying them down so I can still see the string. And another one. And that's about all I can put down. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 color tiles, which means that the string is about 5 inches long. Now I want to explain to you the rule, and I don't know if any of these are going to be like this, but the rule is that if you lay the last color tile down, it has to be at least, so let's just pretend like the end of the string was like right here instead of here. So when you lay this last one down, if at least half of the tile is even with the object, then you would count this tile. If it's not half, you would not count this tile, okay? Just in case any of the rest of them are like that. So now what I want you to do is do number 3 and 4, the quick check problems. And then I want you to go over to the next page and complete numbers 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And then you can even try the Go Deeper question on that page. All right?